Make sure you get it in his mouth.
I know I am. He's making a mess.
Yeah.
Good job, Tyler.
He's making a mess.
He's got a Fu Manchu.
Hey, wait, hold on 1 second.
Isn't that huge?
Alright, there you go. Start again.
Not too big of a bite. Good job. Oh, missed a little bit to the right. Good job.